In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import Photoshop files into Adobe XD. Whether you're a designer looking to integrate Photoshop assets into your XD projects, or someone new to the Adobe Creative Suite, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. Let's get started by opening Adobe XD on your computer. First, make sure you have Adobe XD running on your desktop. Once you have Adobe XD open, navigate to the File menu located in the top left corner of the screen. You'll find various options under this menu, but what interests us today is the Import feature. By selecting Import, a file dialog window will appear, allowing you to browse your computer. At this point, you should navigate to the location where your desired Photoshop file, the PSD file, is stored. This step involves simply clicking through your folders until you find the correct file. Once you've found it, select the file and then click the Open button. This action will import your selected Photoshop file into Adobe XD, placing the contents directly into your Open XD document. It's a straightforward process that allows you to bring in elements from Photoshop smoothly. Now, if your XD document is already open, you'll see the Photoshop contents pop up immediately, integrated into your current working document. This feature is incredibly handy for those who need to drop in design elements quickly without disrupting their workflow. Alternatively, if you prefer a different approach, you have options. You can choose to drag and drop the PSD file directly onto the Adobe XD icon on your desktop. This action will open the file as a new XD document. It's a quick and practical way to handle files without diving into menus. If dragging and dropping isn't your style, you can also open the PSD file by using the right-click method. Simply right-click the PSD file, then hover over the Open With option in the context menu. From the list of programs, choose Adobe XD. This approach will also create a new XD document with your Photoshop file, providing you with fresh canvas to work on. Once you've imported your .psd file into Adobe XD, the real magic begins. The imported artboards and layers can now be treated as XD assets. This means you can rename them to suit your naming conventions, reorganize them according to your project structure, and even convert them into components. The flexibility here is phenomenal. And if you want to take your designs further, you can add interactions to animate your components and truly bring your design to life. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on importing Photoshop files into Adobe XD. With these steps, you'll seamlessly incorporate your Photoshop designs into XD, expanding the possibilities for your creative projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.